Hey guys, it's Gwen and welcome back to another video, or welcome if you're new. Today I am joined with my friend
Yumi and Naomi, gotcha.
And today we are going to be unboxing Poopsie slime surprises. And yeah, so let's get started.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have to
She has to take her plastic wrap off. I'm gonna wait for her. It's like I might start peeling off the sticker. I peeled off my plastic wrap and took the top off.
Yeah,
we have never opened one of these before.
Nope, never. So,
but we know how to do them because we watch.
Yeah.
So I have my
We've seen
sticker
many
ready
people do.
to peel. Can I go ahead and peel?
Yes, you can.
Okay, wants me to tear there. Oh god. Wants me to tear here too. Sorry.
Yeah.
These are toilet paper rolls.
Yeah.
Little toilet paper bits. Alright, so I got unicorn food, unicorn magic, my surprise scent. Here's the food if you guys haven't seen it before. The magic. And then my magic spoon. I'm going ahead and open up my magic scent.
Okay.
The rest I'm going to keep in except for the spoon.
I'm going to unroll. So I have my unicorn food.
I have to give this one a sniff.
Unicorn magic. My surprise scent.
Basically the same thing.
And the magic stone. Okay. So now we can actually...
Wait, open up your scent and open up your spoon. We'll open up our scent
So
later.
we can open this and...
Wait, I'm opening up my spoon first.
Okay, so let's open...
I got a gold spoon if you guys haven't seen them before.
Let me open mine and see what we
got.
got.
Mine's a unicorn with like a little like thunderbolt lightning down there.
I got the same spoon as her.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna open mine because she already did, so...
I don't know. Okay.
Pull them out. Oh god.
See what we got in here.
Stuffed in here.
So we have that. We have what that is, and we have whatever this is. Okay.
I got big bags.
Yeah, okay.
Sorry about that.
So, yeah.
So, we have the checklist. We're not going to look at that because that might ruin it. We look at that. Here's our instructions.
Yeah,
we're
going
to read that just in case we mess up something, but we totally know it. Like, we've watched people.
Yeah, we know how. Just look over there. Okay, so I'm going to open the biggest one first.
Okay, I might as well too. It should be your cup.
Yeah.
I got a
White
Castle.
I got like a milkshake.
Yours is glittery.
Yeah.
Wait, mine's glittery too. Up here.
So, is that?
This is mine. It just says White Castle on it.
I'm going to open this.
I'm going to open this.
Ooh, I got like...
Wait, did we get the same? No.
I got...
Oh, we got an ultra rare! I think I did.
No, that's not an ultra... It's not an ultra rare.
I'm pretty sure.
No, because if it was an ultra rare, you would have gotten the unicorn sparkle.
No, not in there.
Yeah, huh? If it was an ultra rare, it comes
It's probably like a rare or something. Right?
Yeah, so this is how mine looks.
I don't know.
Okay, I'm going to open this last one that it came with. See what it is.
Our measuring cup.
Yep. Okay, my measuring cup is
blue.
purple.
Mine's blue.
So everything here looks pretty cool. Okay.
So now I'm going to go ahead and look at the checklist and see what I got.
Okay, I will too. I'll do that and see what I got. So let's see. What did I
got one from the Junk Foodie Duties.
I got a regular.
And I got one with a heart. I got a regular.
Okay, so we both got regular. I have Bun Day. So that's that one. That's Bun Day.
I have Queen Doo-Doo.
Yeah, okay. So, let's start.
And the colors I can get is green and red.
I didn't look at my colors because I wanted to be surprised. So, we have to fill the measuring cup to the 50 milliliter line and pour into the bottle, then do it another time. So, we have 30 milliliters of water in it.
Oof.
So, she's going to do hers first. We have water already because we knew we needed water. Okay, you do that?
Wait, let me just...
Okay, yeah. Sorry, there's a mess in the camera view.
That's fine. Alright, now I'm going to do my hair in. It goes. I'm going to leave a little out because I did a little extra. So, I have mine filled up to the top. Couldn't they have just made this bigger if it wants us to do it twice? That's just complete, okay? Sorry.
Okay, mine is filled up. We'll get
Mine
that
is
over
too.
there. Okay.
So now I'm guessing
We need to add 5 drops of our scent. So where's my scent? Oh, right here. So here's my surprise scent. I don't know what it's going to be.
I just got mine out. It's yellow. Mine's orangey yellow. I think they all are.
I think that's vanilla.
No, they are almost.
Maybe.
Almost.
I don't know.
It just comes with a surprise scent.
Yeah, but it shows you a list of the scents, so we can try to.
Where?
This.
Oh, in the back it does.
It shows the scents. So we have a shimmer one. We don't have a sparkle or metallic. Since we have regular, we have a shimmer. Can't get this off.
I swear, if I have chicken, I'm gonna be so mad. I'm not even gonna add it. Because.
So.
Wait, we'll see you guys in a little.
Yeah, after we get this. So we'll be right back. Okay, guys. So we got this open. Let me see what scent this is.
Root beer.
Mine smells like root beer too.
Let me smell. Oh, it is.
Wait,
No,
we
it's
have
kind of
this.
like a. Let me see. Yours is definitely something nice. It might be a soda.
Oh wait, I smell it like chocolate. Okay, so we have to put like 5 drops in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see what's next on the agenda. Let's see what's next on the agenda. Okay,
I'm betting it's unicorn food.
then we add unicorn food. So put the whole pack.
Where is my unicorn food?
This is mine.
Sure you didn't wipe mine up?
I know, I didn't.
Because I can't find my unicorn food. There it is. Okay. Alrighty. Unicorn food. Guys, these are $10 US.
Yeah.
That's kind of crazy.
For these little things, like.
Sure, it's a fun activity.
It's fun, but it does take a while to do.
Yeah. Especially to get off the plastic.
Yeah.
Mine's blue.
Mine's pink. Wait, is actually blue?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Was that a possibility? Yeah, it was. Okay.
My possibilities, I just looked at green and pink. So I got the pink one. I'm going to just cut this open. These scissors are horrible, by the way.
Yours was pink and blue.
No, mine was pink and
Pink
green.
and like teal and green. More green. But I feel like the green wouldn't look as good on this because it's going to be that slimy. Like.
Okay, let's see. After we add the unicorn food, we have to tightly close the lid on the bottle, hold the lid, and rapidly shake the bottle up and down for 1 minute, and then let the mixture sit for 10 minutes to allow the slime to harden. Okay, so.
Oh, mine has like a little thing you can press down, like milk, juice, water, other.
Okay, so let's. We'll be right back. After we've shaken it, you're just going to shake it up and down rapidly. So we'll be right back. Okay, so I think we're almost done.
We have set a timer, so just,
Yeah.
like none of us are counting. There we go.
Okay, it's done.
Alexa, stop.
Okay. So now
I'm
we
gonna
have to let
check
it
back on
sit
this.
for 10 minutes. So yes,
I'm
we'll be
just
back
gonna-
with you again.
I just want to show you guys the consistency after you shake it.
Yeah, I've never even looked. Oh, it's like fizzy.
It's like fizzy, like gooey, fizzy. Gooey.
Yeah. So
We're gonna check back on it every like minute.
Because I'm not. Okay.
No,
So
sometimes it makes.
we'll be back in 10
slime.
minutes. Okay. Bye. Okay, so it should be ready in a few more seconds. So we're just going. I want to steal one of her high chews.
Not sponsored, but
Yeah, it should
feel
be.
free to do.
Yeah, sponsor us. Yeah, I'm having a green apple high chew. I'm stealing it from her.
High chews are delicious.
Yeah.
You should get some, not because they're sponsors.
Maybe they'll sponsor us if we sit. High chews are amazing. High chews sponsor us.
Uh-huh. And if you want to, notice,
Alexa, stop.
if you want to sponsor us, feel
Okay.
free to send some over here.
Okay, let's open this up. Oh, it's fishy. You want to stir it?
I check back on mine every minute or so. So mine's stirred, and it looks like that.
Okay, let's check this out.
It won't focus on the slam.
What the heck is this? It's like a little thing in it. Oh, let's mix this in. What is this, Jordan?
Probably a clump of stuff. Poopsie, what the heck?
I think they poisoned my slime.
Ew.
So,
I think the unicorn magic makes it.
yeah, we're just gonna mix this in a little bit.
It's like grimy. It's weird.
Mine isn't.
Mine is.
She has like a teal color. I have this rose
Hey, it's
color.
like cotton candy.
Cotton candy. We're gonna make a cotton candy milkshake.
So what's the
Cotton
next
candy
step?
Okay. Now what we have to do is put the unicorn magic in.
It doesn't smell like root beer.
It
Just
lied
so
to
you
us. Okay.
But we can add the whole scent on it.
Okay.
And later. Geez, Poopsie, why is your packaging so hard?
I don't know.
There we go.
Well, yeah, this will make our mystery color show.
Oof. I'm blocking my. I'm gonna add a little at a time because I don't want it getting everywhere. Well, okay.
I added all. You're supposed to add it all.
I'm adding a little at a time so it doesn't get everywhere.
Mixing it in. Like, stop blocking my view. Okay.
Okay, and I'm gonna add a little more in.
Yeah, so it's supposed to change the color after it's all fully mixed.
Let's just
in.
make it lighter.
Well, it could change the color completely. It says it depends on what you got.
It's everywhere. I'll pick it up later.
Yeah. And I might steal some of hers.
No.
Ooh, mine is very light so far. And I'm not even done. And it says the pigment might stain clothing.
What pigment?
Everything is pigment. Look at this. Wow.
Mine's just like kind of a little lighter. Not really though. Mine's glittery.
Mine changed. Yeah, we got the shimmer one. We didn't get the. I kind of wanted the metallic, which is the rare. I don't like the ultra rare is okay, but my favorite is rare because it's metallic.
Wait, what's the ultra rare again?
The ultra rare is.
Here, I'll check.
It has It has unicorn sparkle.
Yeah. I don't even know if you're asking me to confess.
Okay, so look at this. It's pretty light now.
We both have TikToks, but you're not allowed to follow me.
Yeah. Who wants to follow me on TikTok? You guys already know my TikTok username though. So I told you like a year ago.
But if you didn't know, it's Kitten and Puppy Lover 9.
Kitten and Puppy Lover 9. Again, that is Kitten and Puppy Lover 9.
Please report to the office for dismissal.
Please follow me. Yeah. Whatever that means.
Yeah.
What the heck is
I don't know.
Okay, Jordan, here's your birthday present. If you guys didn't know, her birthday was last week, and she had a birthday party.
Ew, it
last
just
night.
made a weird noise. Hey, wait.
Okay,
Hey, wait.
so pretty much all of mine is mixed in, and it's
It keeps making
very Okay, yeah, it's very pale now, and they say it can fit into this. It's like the same color as this. Let's see. Let's test how
Oh yeah. Just in case
how
mine's a bit bigger.
truthful they are. Let's put this all in my keychain that gives me.
Oh yep. Fits like a charm.
It's like a dream. See?
It fits just perfectly.
Yep. Here, I have an idea. This is what stuff when doesn't fit. I take little pieces and put little pieces in at a time. Take a little.
I'm still not finished with my unicorn magic.
Seriously?
Still have some.
Just put the rest of it in. That's probably why yours didn't change color. It says it won't change color until it's fully mixed in.
That's what we got. Oh, I forgot to take off my scrunchies. I should do that.
Yeah, I took off mine.
It still didn't change color.
You have to it has to be fully mixed in.
It didn't change drastically. It changed a little bit off camera, but you can't really see the difference.
See, fits perfectly, obviously.
Do you have any more unicorn magic in there?
No.
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah, you did. She's making things up.
No, I saw it come out.
Okay, so literally, not even half of the slime fits in there. Okay, we have a bit left.
I'm just going to keep it in here.
I'm going to try to fit as much of it as I can, and I'll keep the rest in the little
Look how stretchy
milkshake.
it is, though. It's fun.
It's a good slime, and so we definitely recommend this, right?
Can we do like a... Wait, we'll see you in a little bit, guys.
Yeah.
So if you didn't know,
We're going to, after we clean all this up, we're going to make a cloud slime for the first time. We already have the slime pre-made. We're just going to have to make the instant snow and, well, not make it, but
we're going to play with the instant snow for a second or two.
yeah, and then we're going to turn it to cloud slime because we've never made a cloud slime, and we just bought instant snow today, so yeah. So we'll see you when all this is cleaned up. Okay, so yeah, we're going to put the instant snow in this because she doesn't have a clear bowl and she wants you to see. We're using the tiniest slime ever. Well, it's not the tiniest slime ever. We're using a pretty tiny slime because
Here's the instructions, but I think
yeah, because
everyone knows how to do that.
she doesn't. Yeah, we're just doing it with the tiny slime because it makes it expand quite a bit.
Oh, I never felt it. It feels so weird.
Ooh, the powder's weird, but it says it feels like real snow after. So yeah, okay, wait, I gotta get it all down here.
Here, I'll show you when it's shook down.
Okay, so she's just pouring the snow into there because we don't want it to make a mess, so we're pouring it into there, and then we're gonna pour a little bit into here at a time because we don't wanna use too much and then waste it. Okay, so we'll put a,
Sorry, no wait.
oh, they came with a spoon? Okay. Do like 2 of those little spoons for
No,
now.
because that's going to expand a lot.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
She doesn't want me to do anything.
Add a little water.
I know that's too much water, Jordan.
Oh, wow. That expanded.
Oh, it actually feels kind of like snow.
What if we add a little more?
Barely any, because...
Okay, it needs to grow more.
But if it turns clear, it means it's too much. So don't make... Wait, Jordan. Wait. Jordan, it turned clear. That means it's too much right there, Jordan.
Mix that
See, you did too much. You didn't look. She wasn't listening. Okay, that most likely would be enough. Okay, let's start mixing this in.
Here, I'm going to mix some.
You did everything, Jordan. You're not letting me do anything.
I just want to feel.
She doesn't want me to do anything. Jordan, you're making a mess. It takes quite a bit of snow to do it.
I don't think we're going to have enough snow to make it for
Here, let me do some.
after this mix. Wait, let me just see how cloudy it is. Not cloudy.
Or if you didn't want it to be fully cloudy, you could always just make it icing slime. Okay.
Wait, I have some snow. Icing slime?
Yeah, it's like, it's not cloud, but it's not normal. It's like right in between cloud and just normal slime, so it's not.
So you still add 5 of those, and I'll do 5 more.
Okay. So I just did 2. This is 3. We're making cloud slime, or else this would be clickbait. And I don't think we want to do clickbait. Okay. 4.
Hey.
What?
You did an extra.
No, that
Did
was
she
4.
do an extra one, guys?
No, that
Comment
was
down
4.
below.
That was 4.
Comment down below if she did an extra one.
That was 4.
Go get it.
Okay.
Even if she might have done an extra one. But she's going to get it.
Okay, so this is 5.
Okay.
It's already starting to turn to cloud slime, but it's kind of deactivating.
Can you go make activator, please?
Yeah, I need. I'll be back. Pay attention to her.
You know what? We'll just pause the video and we'll be right back.
No, Jordan.
Bye, guys. Okay, guys. So Gwen's getting the activator, and I
need something to mix.
just use this scissors.
Okay.
Scissors are coming in handy.
Yes, the scissors don't work, so they're just going to be our spoon. We're using scissors as our spoon. Don't mind us.
Let me have some. Okay, I'll just do a little bit. Just a little bit.
How many did you do?
Nothing. I was just sitting over here doing nothing. Except holding it in my hand. I don't want it all over my hands. Hasn't changed consistency. Get off.
Yeah, it's
It's
wait,
still
look.
on there. Gwen, it's still on.
It's starting
Gwen.
to turn.
I guess. Snow slip.
Yeah. Look, it's starting.
Help!
Yeah, maybe
It's
I
too
should.
sticky. Take half. We'll each do half. Why don't we think of that? Are you sure this isn't just like deactivating it? How much borax did you add to this?
Not much.
What is?
What? What?
Why didn't you add a lot?
I didn't. I said not much.
I know, why didn't you?
Because you're not. You
need it strong though.
Oh.
You
So, yes, we have a spoon. Just stick. Okay.
Let me go blank. UCF at Pittsburgh or another game, and the other game is all.
Okay, well, it's like icy consistency right now. And it's a pretty color. It lightened the color a bit, as you can see, if you paid attention to the beginning of what color it was. Oh, it's starting to rip now.
Good, because it's going to melt it more.
Okay.
Every time you do a clump, add more.
I'm going to wait till it gets a little sticky. Not till it was like just how it was, but like a little teensy weensy bit, because I don't want to do it like...
You're just doing it for me. Here's the snow, if you guys can
It
see.
needs to be fully mixed in.
I'm going to move this side.
Look at that. It's so cool.
Mine's getting really sticky.
This makes like about 1.5 gallons. It can make a little bit more depending on
How much?
water you add. If you add too much water, it will become clear.
But you can.
It says that on the directions. If someone would have read the directions.
I think you're supposed to add double the amount you put in of snow
You're supposed to.
for water.
Look at that. It's starting to turn cloudy.
I think I'm going to go ahead and make some more snow. There we go.
Oops.
Oh, grab that.
Well, that would make a different type of slime if you just do it without adding water. But Okay, that should be good.
No, over here.
Jordan, that's too much snow because mine's like almost fully cloud slime.
Mine isn't.
Jordan,
We
you
can
don't.
always play with it.
But then you just
You
put it
have
back.
Cloud.
And just put it back into the container after, even though it's already like that.
Get the slime out of the thing.
No, because
Slime all through it. You should activate that.
no, it's literally cloud slime now. Look,
Yeah, but you need to activate it just a little.
no, it's not sticky. It's overactivated.
It is sticky.
No, it's not. It's
Sticking
overactive. No, it's not. It's literally overactivated.
Then add more snow.
And then at St. Pat's, they have
If you add too much snow, it can ruin the slime. You know.
every month. They have like a team mask.
No.
That's why you have to be careful of how much snow you add. Okay, let's start to mix it back together.
No, mine's not doing any. Mine's not cloudy.
Here, let me see.
Mine's not cloudy.
We'll mix it together then, because there's too much
No.
in mine. There's too much in mine because of
It's
you.
not cloudy at all, though.
Exactly. Yeah, there's too much
Well,
in
then let
mine.
me add the snow to it.
Here, just mix it in. Mine's lighter.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, there's too much snow in mine.
It is overactive.
Yes.
Okay. So, now it's, like, bigger than it was. Like,
Yes, it about tripled. It about triples its size.
at least we think.
It does.
As far as human beings.
Okay, let me see it. Yeah, let me see. Okay. So we're going to just mix that in.
Fine.
And we have a lot of extra snow. This is a really good cloud slime, I think. I mean, I think, because it's the first cloud slime I've ever made.
Should we make Laffy too?
Yeah, but we won't do that on camera. Because we...
I'm gonna go ahead and make a Laffy one.
Okay, so yeah, that was our video, and we hope you enjoyed, so bye!